Apple is getting ready to surprise the world again. Not with something huge, but with something small that carries a massive punch. For months, whispers from insiders like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman have been circulating through the tech community, and now, all signs point toward one thing: the next evolution of Apple's smallest and most beloved tablet, the iPad Mini 8. It's been called J510 and J511 inside Apple's walls, and these identifiers have already appeared in Apple's internal testing logs. That means the device is not a concept anymore. It's real, and it's almost ready. Two models are currently in development: a standard Wi-Fi version and a Wi-Fi plus cellular variant. What makes this launch so exciting is not just that Apple is updating the Mini, but how it's doing it. For years, fans have wanted an iPad Mini that's truly pro in performance, but still easy to carry anywhere. This time, Apple seems to be making that dream a reality. The iPad Mini has always stood apart in Apple's lineup. It's not just another tablet. It's a philosophy, the perfect blend of portability and power. The Mini 6 and 7 were great companions, but they played it safe. The Mini 8, however, looks ready to redefine what mini really means. Apple's mission is clear: to deliver the power of a high-end laptop inside a device that fits in your hand. And this year, the company might have finally nailed it. Inside, the iPad Mini 8 will run on the same chip that powers Apple's latest iPhone 19 Pro, the A19 Pro chip. Built on TSMC's new 3nm N3P process, it's one of the most efficient and powerful chips Apple has ever designed. This isn't just a small upgrade. It's a leap in both raw performance and intelligent processing. The A19 Pro comes with a 6-core CPU that combines high-performance and efficiency cores, a 5-core GPU capable of console-grade graphics, and a 16-core neural engine built for next-generation AI tasks. Each core in this chip now includes its own AI accelerator, allowing the Mini 8 to handle complex workloads that used to be reserved for laptops. With larger cache memory and improved data throughput, multitasking feels smoother, apps open faster, and games run flawlessly. Apple claims this chip delivers up to 3 times faster graphics than the older A17 chip, and that's a massive jump. Imagine playing demanding titles or editing 4K videos right on your tablet, all while keeping the device cool and efficient. This chip isn't just about power, it's about intelligence. Apple is using the A19 Pro to introduce a new level of smart performance. The neural engine handles everything from predictive text and image recognition to real-time translation and generative AI tasks. That means the iPad Mini 8 isn't just running apps faster, it's understanding how you use them and adapting in real time. This is the beginning of Apple's new approach to intelligent computing. Powerful hardware enhanced by software that learns from you. But performance isn't the only thing that's changing. For years, one of the biggest requests from fans has been an upgraded display. The iPad Mini 8 finally delivers that. Apple is moving away from LCD and embracing OLED technology for the first time in the Mini lineup. This single decision changes everything. OLED brings richer colors, deeper blacks, and perfect contrast ratios. It's the kind of screen that makes even ordinary tasks feel cinematic. The display is also getting a small size bump, from 8.3 inches to around 8.7 inches, with thinner bezels and a more immersive design. It's not just bigger, it's better in every way. While Apple might not include the high-end LTPO 120Hz promotion panel found on the iPad Pro, leaks suggest that the Mini 8 will use a high-quality LTPS OLED panel. This allows Apple to deliver stunning visuals without driving up the cost too much. The result is a perfect balance: premium quality that still feels accessible. And with OLED's efficiency, visuals are not only better, but battery life improves too. OLED lights up individual pixels instead of the whole backlight, which means less power consumption and better endurance. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or sketching, the screen's crisp clarity and deep color range will pull you in every time. But Apple isn't stopping at hardware. The iPad Mini 8 is also becoming smarter, truly smarter. Thanks to the A19 Pro chip and iPadOS 19, It will support full integration with Apple Intelligence, Apple's new on-device AI system. This changes how you use your tablet. You'll be able to summarize long documents automatically, translate text in real time, generate creative notes using AI, and even get context-aware suggestions from Siri that actually make sense. Imagine scanning a document and having the Mini instantly pull key points or drafting an email that adjusts tone based on who you're writing to. For artists and creators, AI-enhanced photo and video tools will make editing faster and more intuitive. The Neural Engine can now assist with image retouching, object removal, and background adjustments with just a few taps. Apple is turning the Mini 8 into a creative studio that fits into the palm of your hand. It's no longer just a smaller tablet. It's an intelligent companion that assists your workflow. Battery life, often the silent hero, is also getting a serious upgrade. The 3nm chip's efficiency and OLED's power-saving nature mean you get longer hours of use without worrying about the charger. And when you do need to charge, Apple is rumored to include support for 35W fast charging, up from the previous 20W limit. That means you can go from 0% to 50% in around half an hour. A huge convenience for travelers, students, and professionals constantly on the move. Design-wise, Apple isn't reinventing the wheel, it's refining it. The iPad Mini 8 will maintain the same iconic aluminum unibody design, but with minor adjustments that elevate the experience. Expect slightly softer edges for comfort, a subtly updated camera module, and possibly new color options that echo the tones of the latest iPhones. The aluminum frame could feature a more tactile matte finish for improved grip and durability. It's Apple's design language, polished to near perfection, familiar, yet fresh. Connectivity is also getting smarter and faster. The Mini 8 is expected to come with Wi-Fi 7, delivering blazing fast wireless performance for streaming, online work, and cloud-based tasks. Bluetooth 6.0 will ensure stronger and more reliable connections with accessories, including the next-gen Apple Pencil 3. Rumors suggest that this new stylus may come with haptic feedback and improved magnetic alignment, providing artists with more precision and realism while sketching or taking notes. The USB-C port is being upgraded as well, supporting faster data transfer speeds and broader accessory compatibility. From external SSDs to camera equipment, the Mini 8 will finally feel as flexible as a MacBook when it comes to creative workflows. Now, let's talk about timing. Based on reports from Bloomberg and Apple's usual schedule, the iPad Mini 8 is expected to arrive between March and May 2025. However, if development continues smoothly, Apple could surprise everyone with an early reveal in December 2024, just in time for the holiday season. Apple loves strategic timing, and dropping a new Mini right before the new year would make perfect sense. As for pricing, the current Mini 7 starts at $499. With all these upgrades, OLED, A19 Pro chip, improved battery, and faster charging, experts expect the starting price to rise slightly to between $549 and $599. Even at that range, it's an impressive deal when compared with competitors like Samsung's Galaxy Tab A9 Plus or Xiaomi's Pad 7. And there's a chance Apple could release a lower-cost base model to stay aggressive in the market. Behind the scenes, Apple is also preparing its other big hardware update, the Vision Pro headset, now featuring the new M5 chip. This chip, the same powerhouse used in the latest MacBook Pro models, brings massive performance improvements, smoother visuals, and better heat management to Apple's spatial computing lineup. With the iPad Mini 8 and Vision Pro both advancing at the same time, it's clear Apple is building an interconnected future where every device complements the other. The Vision Pro M5 update includes a redesigned headband for better comfort, an improved 120Hz refresh rate for lifelike motion, and a stronger 40W charger for faster recharging. Together, these refinements make the Vision Pro more practical for long creative or professional use. It's being released first in the US and Canada on October 22nd, 2025, with Europe and Australia following shortly after. Zooming out, Apple's roadmap for 2025 paints a very clear picture. The company's focus is shifting toward AI and ecosystem harmony. Every product, from the iPhone 17 Pro to the MacBook M5 to the Vision Pro and now the iPad Mini 8, is designed to work together as part of a single, intelligent network. Imagine this. You sketch a design on your iPad Mini 8 using the Apple Pencil 3, then seamlessly move to the Vision Pro to transform that sketch into a 3D model and finally finish it on your MacBook. That's the future Apple is building. A creative ecosystem where devices aren't separate tools but interconnected extensions of the same workflow. This is what makes the iPad Mini 8 so important. It's not the biggest, nor the most expensive, but it sits at the heart of Apple's evolving vision. It represents balance between performance and portability, intelligence and simplicity, price and premium experience. For students, it's the perfect digital notebook. For travelers, a compact media hub. For digital artists, a lightweight sketchpad. And for professionals, a backup workstation that still feels powerful enough to handle serious tasks. In 2025, Mini no longer means compromise. It means freedom. Freedom to create anywhere, to stay connected, to work smarter, and to explore without limits. Apple's smallest tablet might just redefine what portability truly means. The iPad Mini 8 feels like more than just another update. It's a symbol of how far Apple's technology has evolved. A compact tablet that carries the brain of a computer, the eye of a designer, and the intelligence of an assistant. Every small change, from the A19 Pro chip to OLED to AI integration, adds up to a device that's quietly revolutionary. And that's Apple's greatest strength. The company rarely shouts innovation. It refines, perfects, and lets the results speak for themselves. The Mini 8 might not break the mold with flashy features, but it could easily become the most balanced iPad Apple has ever made, the device that finally makes small feel limitless. So, should you be excited? Absolutely. The iPad Mini 8 is shaping up to be one of Apple's smartest and most thoughtful releases in years. It's not just about specs or speed. It's about how effortlessly power and design come together. It's about building a device that doesn't demand attention, yet keeps earning it every time you use it. If Apple delivers everything the leaks and insiders promise, the OLED display, A19 Pro chip, AI integration, and refined design, this tablet could set a new standard for what a compact device can be. It's the ideal blend of everything users love about Apple: performance, beauty, intelligence, and longevity. In my opinion, the iPad Mini 8 represents Apple at its best. It's thoughtful innovation, not loud but deeply functional. It's a product that exists because people love it, not because the company needed to fill a gap. And that alone makes it special. The iPad Mini 8 isn't trying to replace a laptop or compete with an iPad Pro. It's carving out its own space in Apple's lineup as the small device with the biggest potential. So, when it finally launches, whether in late 2024 or spring 2025, one thing is certain. Apple is about to remind the world that sometimes greatness really does come in small packages. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the iPad Mini 8 and want to stay ahead of every Apple reveal, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The next few months could completely reshape how we think about portable technology. And trust me, you'll want to be here when Apple pulls the curtain back on its next masterpiece.